Dang it, I did it again. Hey, what do you know? It works. Oh, come on. Oh, dang it. This will be take 2 on the headlight. This is the new headlight that just came in. This time I got a chrome one because I think what I'm going to do is use this black bucket with this chrome rim. I just think that'd be neat. It'll stand out a little bit more. So at least I'll put the bucket from the old one back to good use. You know, it'll look neat, I think. So we'll see. And if not, then I can always change it to this chrome one. So we're gonna get this off. The very first thing I'm gonna do is check this light and make sure it works. So let's get that going. I don't want to be fussing with it again and realize that the stupid thing doesn't work. It's also going to tell me if there's something else wrong. I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and pop this one off. Alright, as you can see, brand new, fresh. Looks good. Alright, let's put it on the bike and give it a test. Hey, what do you know? It works. High beam work? I don't know. High beam doesn't work. Wonder why. Hey, but you know what? We got one. At least we got one to work. Now I just need to find out why the high beam isn't working. Maybe one of these other wires has to be hooked up or something. I don't know. Alright, let's play with it. See if we can figure out. Yeah, high beam doesn't going to seem to work. And it's got to be something with the light itself, because I can put the original light back on and it works just fine. Yeah, shoot. Didn't matter. Still no high beam. Wonder why. Alright, we're gonna get the tester out. Make sure we're getting juice here, because something's weird. So, low beam, I get power. This should be the ground. Let's verify that that's the ground. What we'll do is, I believe that's the ground, so we'll take this off and put it on the positive of the battery. And I should get a light. A little bit. That might be our problem. That may be the problem. Not pulling enough juice. Let's redo the battery, recharge it. That should solve our issue. Okay, so let me show you what I'm doing here. Right now the motorcycle's turned on, the power's turned on. I've got the other end of this connected to the negative terminal on the battery. And if I test the regular headlight, which is down here, I get a light. Pretty dim though. Can you see it? So if I turn on the bright light, which should be this one, I got nothing. Now, if I change it on the battery from the negative to the positive, what I should get is a light that comes on when I hit the black wire here, which is the ground. Okay, so this one here. And if you notice, no light. No light at all. So what that tells me is that this ground is not that great, or I'm just not getting enough power to power the whole thing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and charge the battery up, and we'll let it sit for a while and give it another try later. Alright, we're going to see why we can't get this headlight to work. Let's see. Let's get the original one, put it back on. Oh, yeah, okay. Alright, there's low beam, there's high beam. They both work. Let's get the new LED one out and see how it does. Alright, that's low beam and no high beam. Low beam, no high beam. Does it go off when I try to start the bike? Yeah, okay. Alright, let's throw the tester on it again and see what's going on, because something's funky and not working right. So we'll ground it off right there. This should be low beam. Black one should be ground, and the green one should be high beam. So, alright, so yeah, that's low beam. We can see we're working there. If I put it on high beam, the light goes out. So this should be high beam here. And it's not. Why is it not coming on? Whoa, look at that. The black one is the high beam. What? Oh, I see. Okay, everybody knows the color black is very, very common for being the ground, right? Well, look at this. Let me take you off and bring you in a little closer. This actually goes to a blue wire. Here, let me get it out of there. See? The black actually goes to blue. So, how in the world the old light was working, I have no clue, but I need to swap those two. So, let me do that real quick. Okay. We've got them swapped. Let's see if the LED light works now. Alright, there's low beam. Oh, that looks brighter now. That's low beam, and that's high beam. Oh, wait, I'm not plugged all the way in. Okay, low beam, let's see it's working. And high beam now works. Okay, so those wires were swapped. Now I'm curious if the old headlight will still work now that we've done that. So let's try it. Remember, we swapped these two wires here. This should still work. So let's find out. There's low beam. And there's high beam. Now they both work correctly. So I have no idea. I mean, whoever messed with this must have gotten them backwards. Put them back on backwards. That's all I can figure. So we're working now. We've got everything we need. Next step is I'm going to wire it up for these angel lights. That's what they call them. I don't know why they're called that, but I guess they look like wings or something. Anyway, I'm going to hook those up to be marker lights and make them go ahead and work with the turn signals too. That's what these extra wires are for, so why not? Let's do it. These three wires are, the brown one is for the angelized daytime running lights. The gray one is for the right turn signal, and the blue one here is for the left turn signal. So I think we're going to hook those up. Why not? Yeah, let's do it. Dang it. I was afraid that was going to, I don't know why I did that. Alright, here. Please tell me you still work. There we go. Okay. Now, back to work. We have headlight. We have headlight. We have angel eyes. Woohoo! And we've got these lights. So we've got all kinds of lights going now, folks. Look at that. I'd like for somebody to say they can't see that coming down the highway. Bright light work. Where's the switch? There it is. Hey, look, even the bright light works. Alright, let's go ahead and wire up these turn signals. Which one's which? Side driving lights, or angel lights as they call them, and the turn signals and high and low beam should all work. So everything should work now. These also, driving lights and turn signals, should both work. So let's give it a try. Alright, there's the angel lights and the headlight. Just a regular headlight. There's the bright light and turn signal. Now, what do you guys think? Okay, all the lights are good now. Let's get that headlight put back on. I think I'm going to use the black bucket. I just like it better. Boom, we have lights. We have lights. How about bright? We have bright lights. Got turn signals. Oh, I got my turn signals backwards. Turn back on. We have headlight, we have angel lights, we have running lights. We have bright lights. We have turn signals. There we go. Just making sure the back one, yep. we're done with that. Headlight is done. All the lights are done now. I kind of wish these angel lights would stay on when the high beam's on. But, I mean, I guess I could wire them up. I might do that later. Wire these and the driving lights. Wire them both up to the high and low beam. Right now they're just wired to the low beam. That's why they're not working on high beam. What's next? Oh, the horns. Yeah, we gotta get the horns working. Or at least a horn. Alright, well that about does it for the headlight install. We've got all the lights working. The tail light, the headlight, bright light, turn signals, driving lights, angel lights, tons of lights. We got all the lights working. So next steps will be get the horn going, and I'm gonna have to order some horns, I think, because I tested them, they're bad, so I'll just buy new ones. And after that, my tank should be in by the end of this week. And once I get the tank in, I'm gonna paint it and the side covers. So, and then I can start working on things like, you know, rejetting the carb and things like that. So, yep, those are the next steps. Alright, if you would, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'd much appreciate it. If you want to see more of this, stay tuned, because I've got a lot more coming. Alright, I'm out.